Let me show you how to design these beautiful pockets. So first of all, you're going to start off by making your pleats, and then you're going to baste it down like you see in the video so that the pleat stays in place, and then you iron it down. After you're done ironing it, making sure it's in place, then you place your pocket design and then start making the pleat design like you see in the video. So make 2 pleats or as many pleats as possible like you want, and then this will be ready. Then you go ahead and trim off the excess and then baste all your sewing allowances in. Guys, this is the easiest pocket design that you will make, and it will still look classy. If you're a made fashion designer, this will be very, very nice for you. And if you're into ready to wear for female, you can as well add this to your collection. It will be nice for pocket design or any other design. Once you're done doing this, this is how it's looking. Go ahead and attach it to the bodies. So this is for a male design, so we're going to attach this to the bodies like so, using the hemming gum to baste it down first. While after basting it down, then you go ahead and sew it. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section.